Want to create an Instagram account but you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. Now let's get started. First, you download the app from the Play Store if you're using an Android phone, and then you open up the app. Once this is installed and you've opened it, this page is going to appear. What do? You have to fill up this form. If you already have an Instagram account, you fill up this form and click on login. But if you don't, you click on create new account. Once you've done this, you have to enter your mobile number on which you can be contacted. No one will see this on your profile. Then you will receive WhatsApp and SMS notification from Instagram for security and login purposes. So once you fill in your mobile number, you click on next. You can also decide to sign in with your email address instead. Your account, 6-digit code will be sent to your email address. That is your confirmation code, so you put it in. So once you put in a confirmation code, you click on next. The thing you're going to do is create a password with at least 6 letters and numbers. It should be something that others can't guess easily. Once you create your password, you click on next. We ask if you want to save your login info into your new account, so you need to enter it the next time you log in. If you want it to be saved, you click on save. If not, you click on not now. Next, you have to type your date of birth. To input your date of birth, so you fill that up, and once you're through, you click on set. To fill in your full name. After filling your full name, you click on next. Filling your full name, you create a nickname. Next page, after that, you agree to Instagram terms and policies. You add a profile picture so your friends will know it's you. Everyone will be able to see your picture. So you click on add picture if you want to. If you don't want to, you click on skip. And that's it. Welcome to Instagram. Next, you allow access to your contacts to make it easier to find your friends on Instagram. So you click on next. So allow if you want to have access to your contacts. So you also have the option to get Facebook suggestions. If you want that, click on continue. If you don't, click on skip. So I decided to follow my friends. In this case, I don't want to follow my friends, so I go back and I click on skip. So the video page where it has discover people. I can discover people here, people that I want to follow. And if I don't follow anyone here, I can simply click on the arrow in the top right corner. But if I don't want to follow, I can choose one person to follow. And I click on follow. But I don't want to follow anyone, so I click on the arrow. And that's it. It takes me to my Instagram page. That's all it takes to open an account on Instagram.